Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn about English clauses. An English clause is a group of related words containing a subject and a verb which can be a complete sentence or part of a complex one. Clauses are the fundamental building blocks of sentences and are essential for expressing complete thoughts. In this video, we will learn different types of clauses. We will understand their use with the help of examples. Let's get started with the video. The first type of clause is independent clause or main clause. This type of clauses can stand alone as a complete sentence. For example, she is reading a book. Next type of clause is dependent clause or subordinate clause. This type of clauses cannot stand alone and they depend on the main clause. For example, because she was tired, she went to bed. The third type of clause is noun clause. These type of clauses act as a subject, object or complement. For example, what he said surprised me. Next type of clause is adjective clause or relative clause. This type of clauses describe a noun. For example, the book that I bought is new. Next type is adverb clause. Adverb clauses modifies verb, adjective or adverb and show time, reason and condition. For example, I stayed home because it was raining. Next type of clause is conditional clause. They express a condition. For example, if it rains, we will stay inside. Next type is comparative clause. Comparative clause shows comparison. For example, she is taller than I am. Next type is exclamatory clauses. Exclamatory clause expresses strong feeling. For example, how beautiful the garden is. Next type is restrictive clause. Restrictive clause is essential to the meaning of the sentence. For example, the man who helped me is kind. Next type is non-restrictive clause. These type of clauses add extra information. Usually, they come with a comma. For example, my brother who lives in Delhi is visiting. Next type is relative clause. Relative clauses are introduced by who, whom, which, that. For example, the house that we saw is expensive. Next is result clause. Result clause, as the name suggests, shows result. These clauses are also introduced by so that, such that, etc. For example, he worked hard so that he could pass the exam. Next type is purpose clause. Purpose clause shows purpose. They are introduced by in order that, so that, etc. For example, She studies hard so that she can succeed.